I, being an ITI lecturer, choose to be a professional engineer, and I chose to be in Indic. So this field was very new to me, where I couldn't able to correlate my education and this industry. After that, my colleagues and my team had helped me to a great extent to learn here, and after my learning stages, Indic has also given me opportunity to put all my thoughts and my knowledge here and to grow to the greater extent.
And Indic is also providing very good facilities to women employees, and they have a very good safety measures for women employees, and all the HODs, they motivate us when we are in problems, or they guide us. Indic gives us good opportunities to grow, and we are thankful to the management for all the facilities they are providing it to us. And anyhow, I'm very happy to work with Indic, with all the people in Indic.